Hey everybody, I have some papers to share with you. I know some of you might be thinking another haul video. Yes, it is. Just a very small paper haul. I had to pick these up. They are from mintaypapers.com, and I actually picked them up from franticstamper.com. So you can go to mintaypapers.com and you can figure out whatever country you are in where you could pick them up. So if you're in the US, franticstamper.com. And so yeah, so they are amazing papers and I just had to have them. Miranda, she had posted about them, and I've seen, I'm probably going to pronounce her name wrong, but Karola post her papers before, and I just fell in love with them. So I knew that once they came into the US that I had to pick some up. So I am going to go over the 12 by 12 papers first, and then I'll show you guys something that I love about the paper pads after I go through these. So I picked up 2 of the collections and I really wanted all of them. I think there might be 6 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think there's like 5 or 6. And they're all gorgeous, beautiful colors. Her color combinations and just everything is just amazing. So the first one is Birdsong, and this one's probably my favorite. Just the colors are gorgeous and the images and everything. So I have them flipped over so you'll see like the front and back. So again, this is Birdsong, and I will have a link listed down below in the description box. Let me zoom out a little bit for you guys. All right, so this is my second time filming this. The first one, I realized that it was a big hot mess. So my dryer alarm was going off and just, I kept dropping papers, and yeah, it was a big mess. So let's get on to the papers. This one is like little 3 by 4 cards, maybe 2 by 3 cards. I don't know. Let's see. Let's measure. Let me see. I don't even know how to use this on here. Yeah, they're 3 by 4 cards. So they're really nice to either kind of layer up on, you know, a card front or scrapbook layouts, all sorts of different things. Project Life if you do that. So, and then there's these ones with the little frames and the tags. Really nice. Show you guys the butterflies and the birds. These are my favorite. I cannot wait to cut these out. And I wish I probably would have gotten like 10 pages of this just for the butterflies. And like the florals, so you can cut them out. Gorgeous. So front and back. Alright, this one is like wood grain, and it's all weathered and chipped and really cool looking. And then the florals on the back, really gorgeous. You guys can see up close. And I have no idea what kind of flowers these are. I've never seen scrapbooking papers with those types of flowers on them. They're gorgeous. Right, another one. It's got this one with this cluster on this side, and then this on this side with the butterflies and the script, and there's like dots. I've been a fan of Karola's for a very long time. She is one of my favorite scrapbookers, crafters. She's amazing. So then this one, I really love this one. Super gorgeous. All right, then this one. This one's probably one of my favorites. They almost have like cabbage roses maybe. I'm not exactly sure what those are. If you know, then maybe comment down below because it's going to bug me. And this one is amazing. I love it. Super cool. Right. Next think this is like the same door maybe. It looks like the same. So there's like chips and cracks and all kinds of fun stuff. And then the back or the front. It's this one. The florals. The florals on this side. Really gorgeous. Little birds. And then this one, I love that she added like the florals up on top and then here and then down here with some butterflies. Super pretty. And then with the script, if I can get that, you guys can see. Gorgeous. All right, and then this was another one of my favorites just because it's a good foundation page just to have some kind of like texture. I like that it's white with a brown, so you can use it for any color combinations. Really nice. All right, so I'm gonna show you the Birdsong and the 6x6, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit. Sorry if I make you guys dizzy or anything, but what I love about her paper packs, and I would have gotten the 12x12 paper pads or packs of paper, but they were all out, so I had to get the single sheets. But it comes with, on the front and back covers, it comes with little images that you can cut out and use, so you're not wasting the covers, because most paper packs just are white on the one side. So really neat, and honestly I think that a lot of companies are going to start doing that because once they see that. Alright, so same papers, just scaled down a little bit. Going to just flip through just a little bit, so just in case you're a card maker or you like making tags or smaller projects. So really nice, and again I love that she has that. So that's that, and this one is the Together collection. Again, really gorgeous colors, and we'll do the front and the back. So I love that this has like little doilies and just the distressed of it, and then this one is really pretty. Alright, this one is one of my favorites as well because of the hot air balloons. I love them. They're super pretty. And the little birds and the flowers. And then this is the back of that one. Like the floral wreaths. Really pretty. And they're all like distressed. So it's hard to tell on camera, but they're really nice. So again, kind of same pattern, just a different color. And then this one. Oh, I didn't even realize, I forgot that I zoomed in. Let me zoom out a little bit for you guys. So hopefully I'm getting these papers in for you guys. All right, next one. This one's going to be fun to cut out all those flowers. Really pretty. And then more hot air balloons with the florals and then the doilies. Really, really pretty. And then some more flowers with the doilies. And then the cards. So some of these are like maybe 2x2 or 3x3 probably. And with little, I like that because oftentimes you want just a little, like if you're making a card or something, you want just a little piece of cardstock just to stamp on. And so this is nice that it gives that to you. So you don't have to cut apart, you know, something that you might not want to. So really nice journal spots. And then the back here. And then again, I'll show you guys the pages where you can cut them out. Really pretty little images. It's going to take a lot of concentration for some of these. So, and again, I wish I would have picked up the paper packs, the 12 by 12 paper packs, because these would probably be bigger and a little bit easier to cut out, obviously. So, so yeah, so that is it together. I'll flip through it really quickly for you guys. And I haven't seen anybody, I think I might have seen one other person do a video showing the paper, so that's why I wanted to show you guys something possibly different that you might not have seen. And I kind of felt bad doing another haul video, but because it's so different and something that you most likely haven't seen, then that's why I'm doing it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would suggest hurrying up if you want to buy these papers, because I don't know exactly how many there is in stock over there, but I know that a lot of people have been asking and inquiring about where to get them from the US. So yeah, I would hurry up over there. This collection, the Birdsong collection, would be gorgeous for a baby album. Just the colors are gorgeous. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up, share it on social media, and leave me a comment down below and tell me which collection is your favorite, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.